Top 5 QuillBot features that you should know about. Now, there are many features of QuillBot, but here are my top 5 out of all this. Now, the first is obviously what QuillBot is for and what it started as a motive, that is to paraphrase a certain text. So you can choose to paste a certain amount of text and just hit the paraphrase option to paraphrase it. This was the first function of QuillBot when I just used QuillBot in the initial part of its launch, right? Later, they added other stuffs, and those features are so first is Paraphraser. The other is, if you didn't know, it can also check grammars. So grammar checker is also one of them, and you don't have to pay for grammar checker as well. And other features like AI detector. So AI detector means that if you think that somebody wrote a text using AI, then QuillBot is actually going to detect that whether or not it is written by AI right here, right? So it will show me the text that is actually, hopefully it is written by AI or not. It will basically show right over there. And is after that you can also check for plagiarism. So if you think that someone actually plagiarized a certain text, you can check for plagiarism right there, and then just check if from where those sources are coming. But for this, by the way, you have to pay for it. Last but not the least, if you didn't know, they also have summarizers, so you can actually choose to summarize a certain text right here. By clicking the summarize option, it will summarize it for you right in this case. So I hope that this video helped to discuss some of the functions, and obviously there are more features like translator, citation generator, QuillBot flow, other things as such. But I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.